I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to delete your Pinterest account. For that, first of all, open up your Pinterest app on your phone. After you open up your app, on bottom right you'll see a saved option. Tap on it. Now on top right side you'll see a settings icon. Tap on it. Go to account settings. Scroll down and you'll see the option of close account. Tap on close account. Select the reason why you are leaving and then tap on next. A pop-up message will appear on your screen asking if you're sure you want to leave Pinterest. Tap on send email to finish closing your account. Now Pinterest will send you a mail. Open up the mail. After that, tap on yes, delete account. This way you can easily delete Pinterest account. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment.